joke.
Grabbing my balls. You guys want to hear a joke?
Do you want to hear a joke? Okay.
You know a guy named Ben?
Dover. Okay. Yeah, we're bored.
Oh, I should make a necklace out of this.
Like the ones that have like a million soda can things. We're in Florida.
Looks like white.
No, it doesn't.
Really big. What? What, girl? Oh. These not what my mama said. My hat. We went
shopping today. We're gonna get hyper.
Monster. Unleash the beast.
Yeah. Yeah.
What would you do if I...
What? This fool's weird.
This guy's faggot.
How's you and Sid?
Good.
That's good.
How's you and Piss?
You mean Chris? Me and Chris? I don't even know. I like Chris a lot. I do!
Does he like you?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
You guys are like... Palm trees in the backyard.
Palm trees.
Dude, I want to plant a palm tree.
We have palm trees. Well, we had palm trees. And then
I want to plant one on my own, and then I want to watch it grow for like 8 years.
You sit outside, you're turning into like a really old guy.
Give it food.
Just make a movie off that. Just sitting there watching a palm tree grow.
Jizzing it food. Yesterday we went to this sushi.
Yeah, we went to sushi. We went to sushi and he gets chicken and pizza.
Okay, and this...
Who goes to this Chinese place and gets chicken and pizza?
Okay, and this guy had like a plate of like 40 pieces of sushi.
Yeah, he had like a huge plate, like hecka tall, and he ate the whole thing. I was just like, dang. And I walked by and like I kept on staring at him. My uncle like hit me and he's like, don't stare.
Don't stare, robo pair.
Trevor wants to beat up his friend. I'm not mentioning any names.
No, not anymore. Because I guess he didn't talk shit. Talk crap. Excuse my language.
She lied?
Well, no. He said that he called me because I said we were cool on like Wednesday, and then I guess someone said that he was talking crap, so I said that he was gay, and then he called me bipolar because I said that we were cool on Wednesday. But then I guess he said that he wasn't, so whatever. He's cool.
Never mind, he doesn't want to beat anyone up. We're getting braces.
Oh yeah, on Friday.
Friday? No, we're not.
Yeah, whatever. Getting our cleaning.
No, my mom is calling the dentist to get a cleaning, and then we have to make an appointment to get braces.
We're getting the cleaning on Friday. Mom already called.
This fool is my homie. He's like my best friend.
Don't look at my phone.
Besides Mackenzie. And Gilbert.
And the other three niggas, Gabby.
No.
Gabby?
I love Gabby.
It's so cool.
You don't even know her.
Tear into a can of the meanest energy supplement on the
Trevor,
planet Monster Energy. We went down
my
to the
ear
lab
hurts.
and cooked up a double shot of our Killer Energy Brew.
Ooh, Jordan's
That
coming.
says beer in it. It's a wicked mega hit.
Dude, Look how burnt she is.
It's a wicked mega hit that
Watch, I'm gonna get
delivers
her on
twice
video.
the buzz of a regular energy drink. Monster packs a vicious punch, but has a smooth flavor you can really pound down.
She doesn't know.
Where are you going? Dude, lay right here, dude. This thing's hecka comfortable.
You're going on YouTube, Jordan.